Hey, what up my cruisers? In this video I'll be showing you my experience of getting a 4-wheel alignment on my local Firestone Auto Care. Alright, check it out. I ended up installing new panhard bars, so this is why I had to get an alignment. And in this video, I'll be going to my local Firestone Complete Auto Care Center to get a 4-wheel alignment. You're probably like, oh, do you really need alignment? Yes, I do. Well, check out my wheel. That is currently my wheel facing straight. And as you can tell, it's a little bit off, just a little bit. So we're gonna go to Firestone and see if they can fix it. I got an appointment at 8 a.m. It's now 7:49, so I gotta get there. So I'll see you when I get there, and I'll give you another update. So here we are, almost there. We're pulling up to the Firestone right now. It's right there, guys. If you live in Arizona, you might know where this is at. If not, you're gonna find out. All right, here we go. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. This is it. Got a lot of bays, so we're gonna try them out. Get an alignment real quick. See how long it takes. Got an appointment for 8, so got a few minutes to spare. Should be open soon. Oh, they're still closed right now, so we'll go in there in a little bit and find out. Also, guys, forgot to mention, if you didn't know, I got a 3-inch lift, old man emu suspension. So we're gonna see if they can fix that. But I changed the steering stabilizer out, tie rod ends, and I got adjustable, adjustable panhard bar right here, adjustable. So there you go. So we're gonna see if they can fix the alignment, because right now, you guys can see, is really off. So we're gonna, hopefully, fingers crossed. I haven't gone to Firestone in a while, so we're gonna see if they're good or not. I'll tell you, I'll let you know. This is real review right here, real how-to. I'm not getting paid by them, I gotta pay, so we'll find out. So here you go, my guys. On the left, there's a little waiting area, and then you can see the different tires they got. And as far as I know, every Firestone Auto Care is independently owned, so your experience may differ at a different store. So the good thing about this Firestone is there's a jack-in-the-box right here, so I just ate. And I went to the little convenience store at the gas station and got me a Celsius, not sponsored, but they got some good drinks, so going back, going to check, see if it's in the bay yet. Oh, it's in the bay. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right there. They're looking at it, so see if they can figure it out. Let's see Firestone since 1926. Let's see what they got. So after I got done eating my jack-in-the-box, I went back to the store, and they had my truck on the lift and calibrating it, I believe, with the alignment machine, which I'll show you guys in a minute. But I recommend making an appointment. I made mine a week in advance, and it took them approximately an hour, I'd say, give or take, because I dropped it off around, I didn't get seen till like 8:20 probably, and it took them until like 9:20, 9:30ish. So that's pretty good. I mean, for a 4-wheel alignment, especially with my truck being lifted the way it is and having all the alignment suspension aftermarket stuff. So keep that in mind. Come to Firestone. So this is how they get it aligned right here with these machines right here. Line up the wheels. This is aligned like 4 wheels right there. That's how the inside look right there. Yeah, I guess you can see the angle on there. I don't know. Okay. So what happened? What happened with it? With the, so these are basically adjust the angle. Oh, is that what it does? That's just the target. Oh, okay. The target. See the angle of the tires. And that can be with that laser over there. Okay. All right. Oh yeah, Hunter. Is that the one? So basically, if you guys didn't catch that, the laser follows the targets that they set on each wheel, and then it aligns your wheels for you. That's what it does. After they finish setting your alignment, they take it for a quick test drive. So the technician took my truck for a little test drive. He didn't find any issues, so then I just went in to go pay. Well, you guys will see in a minute. So I paid $104 something after tax, and they give you the specs. They print out the tow, whatever, camper. Let's see what else it does right here. On it, you can see you got the airbag lighting on, which is on, air pressure set at, and then you give you recommendation: repack front bearings, align best as possible, blah blah blah. So they did their best they could, so find out how it drives in a minute. So far so good, guys. Look, it's tracking pretty straight. And then the cruiser, look, wheels going straight, steering wheel straight. There you go. So yeah, I mean, $100 to get your I believe it's a 1-year alignment. You can realign it if something happens, up to 1 year from when you got it aligned. So they also have a lifetime alignment, I believe. So if you're interested in that, you can always do that. I just got the 1 year because I just wanted to see how they were. I don't really go to Firestone, so I mean, if you go to them, let me know if you like their services, if you like their work. Let me know if you have any stories. But there you go, that's my story. And make sure you like, share, hit that subscribe button, comment down below if you have anything, any questions. I'll try to answer them, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, theAZcruiser out. There you go. Straight. So like a week after I got my alignment, we end up going to Joshua Tree National Park and Bulldog Canyon here in Arizona. And we did some off-roading, and the alignment held up pretty well. I mean, if you can look in the video, my steering wheel is still pretty straight. It doesn't really sway or move to one side. So I definitely recommend Firestone. And once again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I appreciate you so much. And let's keep it going. Alright, theAZcruiser out.